Hello guys, welcome to my weekly Linux news, 29th April 2018. And we kick off this week with perhaps the most anticipated Linux release of the year. Ubuntu 18.04 LTS Bionic Beaver released. Of course, don't forget to watch my review of Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. I provide links on the description box. If you're coming from Ubuntu 16.04 LTS or otherwise were still using the Unity desktop, then this release represents a massive overhaul as Canonical has changed from Unity back to the GNOME desktop. That being said, a lot of work has been done to make the transition feel as smooth as possible. On the other hand, if you're coming from Ubuntu 17.10 or trying out Ubuntu for the first time ever or the first time in a long time, you'll be glad to know that a lot of small improvements and bug fixes have been put in place since 17.10, like for instance reverting to Xorg instead of Wayland as a default session and fixing a long-time memory leak in GNOME 3. Either way, Ubuntu 18.04 LTS is promising to become a memorable release with rock-solid stability as expected from every LTS version and improved usability if you like the GNOME desktop. As an alternative, you can also install Kubuntu, Ubuntu or any other flavor to get access to the same stable base and your favorite desktop environment. And of course, regarding the data collection issue, Canonical has addressed this in a post-install script where you can opt out from the data collection. Moving on to the next one, and we have another major release. GIMP 2.10.0 released. Well, people have been waiting for 6 years to get the latest stable release of GIMP. The long-awaited GIMP 2.10.0 is finally here. This is a huge release, which contains the result of 6 long years of work. GIMP 2.8 was released almost exactly 6 years ago by a small but dedicated corps of contributors. So let's see the highlights. Image processing nearly fully ported to GEGL, allowing high bit depth processing, multi-threaded and hardware accelerated pixel processing and more. Color management is a core feature now. Most widgets and preview areas are color managed. On-canvas preview for all filters ported to GEGL. Improved digital painting with canvas rotation and flipping. Metadata viewing and editing for EXIF, XMP, IPTC and DICOM. Basic high DPI support. Automatic or user-selected icon size. New themes. And more, better, more and even more awesome. And to wrap it up, Wine 3.7 released. The Wine Development Release 3.7 is now available, and these are the major changes. MSI custom actions run in a separate process. Support for job files in the task scheduler. Improved viewport support in Direct3D. Larger resolution version of the standard icons. And lots of bug fixes, as you can see here. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to watch more news or reviews, click the button below to subscribe to my channel, and of course if you're interested, don't forget to watch my review of Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. As always, use Linux long and prosper.